Pictures logo bloopers. Cut. Spiffy Pictures, you're not allowed to say sweepy and you're not allowed to use your piano. You're supposed to have this music going. Dun. Okay. Oh, sorry for that. That's good. Now you can try it again. Take two. Okay, take two. Cut. Spiffy Pictures, you're not allowed to be a chicken because you clutch like a chicken and you're not allowed to be a chicken. You're supposed to say Spiffy because you're a picture. Take three. I don't even care. Cut. You're not allowed to scream at me, Spiffy Pictures. You're supposed to say Spiffy. I cannot believe you screamed at me, Spiffy Pictures. If you scream at me one more time, you're fired. I will fire you, okay? Oh, psycho. Yes, good. Now you can try again. Take four. What? Cut. Spiffy Pictures, you're not allowed to be a girl, and you're not allowed to sound like Marshmallow. You're not allowed to say so beyond. Oh, psycho. That's good. Now I can try again. Take five.
Pizza.
Cut. Spiffy Pictures, you're not allowed to say pizza because you're not Little Caesars. Also, you're not allowed to have your background green. You're supposed to have it normal, okay? Oh, psycho. That's good. Now I can try again. Take six. Oh yeah, you need to say Spiffy and have your background yellow. Oh, psycho. That's good. Now I can try again. Take six. Cut. Spiffy Pictures, you're not allowed to say Klasky Chupo. And you're not a robot. And you're not a splat. Also, you are not from 1998. You are from 2000. 2004. But what either? The background's supposed to be yellow, not purple. And you're supposed to say Spiffy. Duh, because you're a picture. And you're supposed to have a background yellow, okay? Oh, psycho. That's good. Now I can try again. Take seven.
Buy a chair.
Cut. Spiffy Pictures, you're not allowed to say buy a chair because you're not Bo, and you're not allowed to have your background pink. You're supposed to say Spiffy, and you're supposed to have your background yellow, okay? Oh, psycho. That's good. Now I can try again. Take eight. Cut. Oh my god. Cut. Spiffy Pictures, you're not allowed to say it's phonics because you're not Bo from Peppa Pig. Also, the background's supposed to be yellow, not, what's it called again? Oh yeah, blue. You're not allowed to have your background blue. You're supposed to say Spiffy because you're a picture. A picture from Jack's Big Music Show. And Curious Buddies. What other kind of show? And anyhow, you're supposed to say Spiffy and you need to have your background yellow. Oh, psycho. That's good. Now I can try again. Take nine. Cut. I cannot believe you say wow. I cannot believe you be the news. I cannot believe you said wow. But your colors are still the same though. Now don't say that, Spiffy. You're supposed to say Spiffy. Okay, Spiffy Pictures? Oh, psycho. That's good. But this is your warning, Spiffy Pictures. If you screw up again, then we're done. Oh yeah, welcome to season 2 though. Because, yeah, if you screw up one more time in a row, you're fired. Do you understand? Yes, I understand. Okay, well, yeah. Well, now I can try it again. Now, take number 10. Screwed up, I'm done. Alright, now, let's do the last one.
Spiffy.
That He's so. You are so. You are so fine. Get out of the studio right now, and you're not allowed to use go animate. Oh darn it! I'm fired. Peace out.